Hey there, parents and adventure seekers. Today, I'm diving deep into everything you need to know about finding the perfect electric quad for your little rider. As a specialist at RiiRoo, I've helped countless families make this exciting decision, and I'm here to share all the insider knowledge you need. Let's kick things off with the most crucial aspect, power matching. For our youngest riders, ages 3 to 6, we're looking at 12V systems that offer speeds around 2 to 3 miles per hour. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds slow, right? But trust me, it's the perfect speed for building confidence and control. For our more experienced riders aged 6 to 10, we step up to 24V systems. And for those skilled riders over 10, we're talking about powerful 36V systems, with impressive 1200 parpos motors that can handle serious terrain. Speaking of power, let me tell you about some of the amazing features you'll find on our premium models. This means you can gradually increase the speed as your child's confidence and skills grow. Now let's talk about what makes these machines truly special. Modern electric quads come with impressive battery life, typically giving you 20 to 25 kilometers of adventure time on a single charge. Charging is a breeze too. Just 4 to 6 hours and you're ready for another day of excitement. Plus, being electric means they're completely fumeless and eco-friendly, something we're pretty proud of at RiiRoo. Safety features are absolutely paramount, and this is where electric quads really shine. We're talking about features like emergency stop buttons, stable wheelbases, and LED lighting systems for visibility. Most of our models come with multiple disc brakes, typically 2 in the front and 1 in the rear, ensuring reliable stopping power when you need it most. Let's talk terrain for a moment. These aren't just garden toys. We're looking at machines that can handle serious off-road action. With robust suspension systems and specially designed off-road tires, these quads can tackle everything from smooth lawns to challenging trails. The key is starting on flat, smooth surfaces and gradually progressing to more challenging terrain as skills develop. Maintenance is surprisingly straightforward, but it's crucial for keeping that quad running safely. We recommend regular checks of the cables, connections, and brakes. Before I wrap up, I want to invite you to visit us at RiiRoo.com, where you can explore our full range of electric quads. We've got something for every age and skill level, and our team is always here to help you make the perfect choice. Remember, investing in an electric quad isn't just about buying a toy. It's about investing in years of outdoor adventure and precious family memories. And hey, if you're thinking about making this investment, why not check out our current range? We've got some amazing deals running right now, and our customer service team is ready to help you find the perfect match for your young rider. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trails.